Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. My name is Doc. In today's video I'm gonna show you exactly why Render Token RNDR will be the #1 AI crypto by far in the next bull run, and why there's actually no competition for Render. So you know already the drill. I'm not gonna talk too much and get straight into the video. So the first thing I want to talk about is what is Render. So Render is basically the first network to transform the power of GPU compute into a decentralized economy of connected 3D assets. So their main focus in the beginning was always in 3D rendering, images, cinematics and more. But that isn't really the biggest demander of GPU power anymore. And that's why Render actually proposed RNP004. So the summary of this is that open compute clients are proposed with integration between the Render network infrastructure and an API designed by an NBit team. This would allow outside users to access the Render network node pool to support computing jobs such as machine learning, AI training models and other similar computational tasks within those fields. And this is actually insanely big because everybody has been hearing the stories of GPUs getting sold out. There's a supply shortage. Nobody can get GPUs anymore because AI training is using 10,000s, 100,000s, millions of GPUs to get going, and the AI revolution has just started. This is insane news. If Render network can actually have APIs integrated in a network, that someone who wants to start an AI and needs GPU power for its machine learning or AI training, they can just literally connect to the network and use the GPU power of the decentralized node operators. You might be thinking, well Doc, aren't you making this a little bit too big? Well, if you don't know already, one language learning model AI like ChatGPT needs more than 30,000 NVIDIA GPUs for its AI training, and they still don't enough. They're already nearing 50,000 GPUs and they can't get the next update because they cannot get more GPUs. Everybody also knows that AI model training costs are expected to rise from $100 million to $500 million by 2030 just to get an AI going, the computing power for its training. And if Render can utilize all this money going in the network with an upcoming burning mechanism, there will be such a big supply shock you cannot even imagine, guys. This is why it's so big. This is why everyone was waiting for, that Render could actually have things integrated for machine learning and AI training. But why would these big companies go to the Render network? Well, because data centers are unable to expand fast enough to offer competitive prices. Consumer GPUs come with every cell phone and computer. The number of GPUs which are idle is estimated to be around 265 million, but fewer than 50,000 GPUs are available through data centers. So if Render can just have 1% of these idle GPUs in their network, they be adding an equivalent of 25 billion GPU infrastructure with zero capital expenditure. That will make Render the most reliable, fastest and cheapest GPU power in the world. They already have thousands, almost million of GPUs waiting in line to get connected. And once this AI training and machine learning gets going and the burning mechanism kicks in, the supply shock will be so big. I always tell you guys, just wait for the updates. They're coming closer and closer. The team is working really hard in a bear market, and then you know if the team is performing on a weekly basis in the bear market that this coin is going going to fly in the bull market. So yeah guys, now the part which is almost already the same of every single video, but you guys like too much, my price prediction about Render RNDR. It's not even Render Token anymore, it's called Render now. So the price is $1.80 with a market cap of 660 million. So my prediction, just like Nvidia is a top 10 stock, I believe that Render RNDR should be a top 10 crypto. So how much will the top 10 crypto be? Well, if we take a look at a historical snapshot of the last bull run, we can see that top 10 crypto is around 35 billion market cap. But we already know that bull runs tend to get bigger and bigger and bigger every single time. Because if we look at the bull run before that one, we can see that top 10 crypto was around 11 billion in market cap. That means a 3x. So in the next bull market, I think a top 10 crypto would be around 135 billion to 100 billion in market cap. So what would that mean with Render sitting at 660 million? That would make that Render has a possibility to 50x if it's like 35 billion and to 150x if it's 150 billion. That would give us price around $100 to like $240, which is people saying which is insane. But we saw ADA getting 93 billion in the last bull market. They had no smart contracts in 2017. XRP was actually at a market cap of 130 billion with no one using it. So if you think 100 billion is really impossible for a project like Render, then these other projects never deserve to get close to 100 billion. So a lot of people are always asking me, Doug, how long will you still accumulate Render? I tell this a lot on my Twitter, but I've been accumulating since August 2022, so that's basically around the price of like 70-80 cents, and all the way down on a weekly basis, and still till this date, I show it on Twitter every time, I'm still accumulating, and I will be accumulating at least till the end of 2023. If Render is still below $3, at the end I will go until it hits $3, and from then on I will make my exit plan for the bull run, and of course I will share this exit plan on YouTube and Twitter because I want all of us to succeed in the next bull run. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to follow me at TheRealDoc on Twitter as well to know when I talk about crypto, give crypto updates, tell you when I'm buying, giving my strategies and everything. Also, like the video if you enjoyed. Click on the screen right now if you want to find the best crypto passive income method which works in the bull run and in the bear market. Subscribe for more YouTube content and YouTube. Until next time.